Hello, this is Mike Adams, the Health Ranger for Natural News, reporting live from southern Ecuador. Yeah, we have a nice bamboo forest behind us here. And I brought some product with me to review. One that I want to take a look at today is called Oceans Alive from Sun Food Nutrition. And this is a really nutrient-dense microalgae liquid product. It's raw, it's unprocessed, it's loaded with phytonutrition and trace minerals from ocean water and lots of other things, including amino acids. So we're going to take a look at this product in more detail. But first, I want to compare Oceans Alive with some competing marine phytoplankton products so that you can see for yourself, with your own eyes, exactly what's the difference. And as we do that, keep in mind that it's the pigmentation that contains the natural medicine. Those are the phytonutrients that have the health benefits. So the more color you see, or the more richness you see in the color, it means it's more potent and it has more natural medicine, as I like to say. So let's take a look at Oceans Alive versus some of the other marine phytoplankton products on the market. So now we're going to do this comparison with UMAC Core marine phytoplankton and Frequency, which is another product containing marine phytoplankton. And we'll be dropping these into these 3 glasses of water so that you can see for yourself what the difference is in the density of the pigmentation, which is an indication of the phytonutrient density or the power of the superfood that these products contain. So let's take a look. Alright, first we're going to use the Frequency product and put this into the water. So I'm opening a brand new package here, and let's see what this looks like. Now, as you can see, it has a bit of an orange or reddish color. This is not necessarily from the marine phytoplankton, because this also contains some berry juices. It has cranberry concentrate, some aloe vera juice, a little bit of orange, sweet lime, and some other ingredients. In fact, doesn't really contain very much marine phytoplankton at all. So you can see that color is maybe low density. It has a little bit of color in it, but it's certainly not high density. So that's Frequency there. Next, we're going to take a look at UMAC Core marine phytoplankton, which you can find at retail stores and online. Let's drop this in. First, we'll shake it up, drop this in, and see what this looks like. Alright, that's basically 1 dropper full. You can see it has virtually no pigmentation whatsoever. It does have some salinity, I can see, in the water here, which means it does contain some trace minerals from ocean water, but it doesn't really have any pigmentation that I can see, virtually none whatsoever. And if you read the bottle, you'll find there's really not much marine phytoplankton in that product. Finally, we're going to take a look at Oceans Alive marine phytoplankton from Sun Food Nutrition, and we'll shake that up and put in a dropper full in this glass here and see. Okay, that's a huge difference. Now we have all kinds of pigmentation, and if we stir that up a little bit, you'll even see just how much pigmentation there is. As you can see, that is a rich green color. That's what marine phytoplankton is supposed to look like. It's supposed to be rich and green, and not orange and not clear. It's supposed to be green. So just by doing this little test, you can tell that this product, Frequency, doesn't really have very much marine phytoplankton in it. This product, UMAC Core, I can't tell that it has any marine phytoplankton in it. This product, Oceans Alive, is loaded with marine phytoplankton. So guess which one I'm going to drink now? I'm going to drink Oceans Alive. Yeah, that tastes like marine phytoplankton. It's good. You can tell it's nutrient dense. This is the real deal. This is what I'm going to be using. So let's talk about this a little bit more. All right, look at these again. You can tell that Oceans Alive, which is on this side, is really rich in marine phytoplankton, whereas UMAC Core over here, it just looks like clear water. You can't actually see any phytoplankton in there at all. And I want to give you a close-up shot of the Oceans Alive product in the sunlight. Look at that. That is rich in nutrition. That's what's in there, little tiny microorganisms, or microalgae, as we say, that grow in the ocean, and these were harvested from a bioreactor facility that grows them in an ocean-like environment, but it's controlled, so they don't have contaminants or any kind of environmental pollutants. And this is just incredibly rich in nutrients. So you might wonder, well, what's so great about Oceans Alive from Sun Food Nutrition? Well, The answer is that this is, I believe, the future of medicine, microalgae. And I've written a lot about astaxanthin and spirulina, chlorella, blue-green algae, even larger plants like brown seaweed and red marine algae. This is in that same class, marine phytoplankton. It's a super nutrient-dense superfood. It contains the trace minerals that are found in ocean water that fight disease and prevent disease. I'm talking about trace minerals like zinc and selenium and chromium and strontium. And these are things that prevent cancer, that accelerate healing throughout the body, that build strong bones, that make the nervous system work better. They do all kinds of things. That's in here. Plus, you've got all of these phytochemicals that are found naturally in the microalgae, and these are the medicines that tomorrow's scientists will be talking about. I mean, these are the medicines that represent the future of healing. This is what really prevents disease. It's a synergy of hundreds or thousands of different phytochemicals all working together to normalize cell division, for example, so you don't get cancer, to boost cardiovascular health, to detoxify the body. You've got a lot of chlorophyll in here, and that detoxifies the blood and the liver and the entire digestive tract. You have so many beneficial nutrients in here that it will take modern medicine probably 100 years just to even begin to understand the healing power of what's in here. So I recommend spirulina, astaxanthin, blue-green algae, and many others, and I now recommend marine phytoplankton. And this is the only product I'm aware of that is raw, that's fresh processed, cold processed. It's never heated, it's never dried, it's never pasteurized or cooked. This is raw, living superfood from the ocean. It's an amazing product. I'm very enthusiastic about it, and I hope you get the chance to try this for yourself. You'll really enjoy it, and I think you'll experience tremendous benefits when you start drinking it like I do.